If you don't like salads, here are my 3 tips.
Cucumber
First,
salad.
chop everything really small. You can
Very
use a
nice.
knife or a chopper that cuts everything equally. That way, every bite
Oh
has
my
so much more
goodness.
color and flavor. Second, add cheese. Adding something like feta cheese can really transform a salad from a boring bowl of vegetables to one with a creamy, tangy taste that makes it more
All
appetizing. And
veg
finally,
mix.
after you toss the salad with your favorite dressing, try eating it with chips. I bake pita bread with za'atar and olive oil to eat it with this
Mix
Shirazi-inspired salad.
all food. Very
So
nice.
good.